once again.
What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today we're gonna be installing lug nuts finally. So my very good friend Albert S197, Albert floated S197, he gave me some lug nuts, so that's what we're gonna be doing in this video. Alright guys, so there you have it. In 23 seconds I changed all 19 lug nuts because one stud is messed up. So probably should be NASCAR something. So today I also did I wired up the lights for the Dakota digital dash. So let's see it. Alright guys, so I'll probably unplug everything and redo the wiring. So if you want to see that, comment below. So here it is. It looks badass. So I just need to calibrate the fuel. I don't think you can see that, but you can kind of see it there. It has that EE error message, but look at that guys, it looks freaking badass. Thank you guys for tuning in and catch you next time.